welcome to my channel. I'm Megan and I thought I would take you along on our cozy weekend. We are waiting for a snowstorm and this should be our biggest snowstorm yet. We haven't had much snow this winter, but last winter we had a ton. I live in the Midwest and so it's always exciting when we can get some snow and have, fingers crossed, some snow days. So I thought I would record our cozy weekend inside our home. We are going to play some games, we are going to watch some movies, eat some yummy food. So I thought I would record everything so that my family and I can look back on our fun weekends together and look back at our memories. So I hope you enjoy coming along. Today our plan is to begin the Lorcana cards, and my husband went last night to Target and got a couple of the sets. We actually just got back from Disney and they had a Lorcana set up at the Festival of the Arts, and we unfortunately missed the opportunity to do it because they ran out of cards for the day by the time we got to Epcot. But we had been talking about starting this card collecting game, and so what better weekend to do that than when we're about to get 8+ inches of snow. So I thought I would take you along with our adventure of starting the Lorcana trading cards. But yeah, we just got back from Disney and I have a Disney vlog that I am putting together. It's mostly B-roll type of footage. But my son collects, he's 5, he collects pins, and so he got a lot of pins on this trip, but I hope you enjoy coming along for our cozy weekend.
Whoa!
Wow! Look at Mickey. Who's that? Cinderella. She's a knight in training.
That's Duke Weaselton.
Yeah, it's a Duke.
I said Duke Ellen.
Oh, no. Nick Wilde.
Nick Wilde. We have to put that way there.
Oh, okay.
Nana.
Anna.
Oh, man, a dog. What? It's a holographic Bashful.
Yeah.
Sick,
And
dude.
this is shiny too.
I guess this goes here.
Yeah, I don't know what
I think that's the, no.
No, but sometimes.
It's actually called a hero.
Yeah.
Look, it's called, this is a villain, 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 villain.
Yep. So you're gonna put him in a hero section, like with
Yes,
Hercules?
he has to.
Fingalhopper, doppelganger.
Probably there's something that looks
I
like
know.
this.
No, I know.
Like, yeah,
Oh,
because this looks like a Fingalhopper, but it's actually it for.
this is great. Action song, Lost in the Woods.
What the?
Wait, that's funny, but he's little.
Oh, he's little.
Yeah.
Is it a mouse? Or is it
Big Dad. Yeah.
Yeah.
They have little tails.
Okay, so it's around 11 o'clock and we are gonna eat lunch soon. Last night I made some tortellini soup and today we decided we want some fresh bread with it with our lunch. So I'm gonna make some bread, tidy up the kitchen a little bit. Elias is watching a little show. Sean's playing his video games. We're all kind of doing our own thing, but come along with me as we make some bread.
And the grown-up that is feeding Mr. Fiddle is feeding him gumballs. And he has the colors too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's funny.
This new thing
How many did you bring up?
Here you go, baby. We're going through all the trouble for you.
Oh yeah. Oh, you know what? I forgot to spray this bowl when I was letting the bread rise, but it's okay.
Dave's been on. Oh, that was one of the worst weddings I've ever seen.
Hello, good evening. It is much later. We've had a pretty cozy day at home and we had a little bit of a late lunch, so it's about 6:30 now and we are gearing up to eat some dinner. I made some beef and bean chili and some cornbread. So we are going to eat dinner and we are going to do a family movie night and watch The Sword in the Stone and then maybe have some popcorn. We'll see how full we are after eating chili, but just wanted to check in and we're just gonna continue with our cozy night and our snowy weekend. Okay, so this is what I do for homemade popcorn. We have this Amish Country popcorn coconut oil, and we have their kernels, and then the ballpark style popcorn salt, and it makes it taste like Disney popcorn, or what you would get at like a ballpark or whatever. And then we have our Disney popcorn bucket. So I'm gonna make some quick popcorn for us to finish enjoying our movie.
And I say we go back to the
Great.
No.
Okay, so Elias and I just got inside from shoveling the driveway. It snowed a ton, at least 8.5, if not more inches. So we went outside. Okay. You
And
wanna
I
say-
shoveled with my hands, and I almost got my face stuck in the snow.
Yeah. So we shoveled the snow, we played a little bit. Now Elias is having hot chocolate. What kind of marshmallows do you have?
Peppermint.
Peppermint marshmallows. They're from Trader Joe's. They are so good, aren't they? Okay, go ahead. I made myself a little at-home latte with our Nespresso machine. So we are going to drink our cozy drinks, and then shortly here we are going to watch a video on how to play Lorcana. Yesterday we just organized the cards and we never ended up playing. So in a little bit we're gonna play Lorcana, and then Elias got a Bigfoot card game for Christmas that we haven't played yet. So we're gonna do that in a little bit, eat some dinner. We're gonna do another movie night tonight with more popcorn. What movie did you choose? What movie did you choose? Do you remember what you said earlier? Can we tell you?
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
But first, we're gonna watch Penelope. We didn't get to watch
Oh,
that.
you wanna watch Wreck-It Ralph
What the
first?
about?
Okay.
After Ratatouille.
Oh, after Ratatouille?
Yeah, because
Okay.
that's very silly part.
Yeah.
Whenever the wide lorry and the under the kitchen, that's
Yeah.
the funniest part.
Also, Elias, I didn't tell you this yet, but both Elias's school and the school I teach at are not having school tomorrow. We both have AMI days.
I know, but Daddy told me.
Oh, Daddy already told you? Okay. Well, Mommy's off too. So tomorrow we're gonna be home. So another cozy day at home.
Yeah, and we're gonna do another video.
Another video. Yeah, we're gonna take everybody along. So we'll check in a little bit later. We're gonna enjoy our hot drinks and hang out, play games, and then watch some movies. We'll see you later.
We're gonna see you later while we're watching Penelope.
Okay, that sounds good. We'll bring them along. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. See you later.
See you later. Bye. What? That's 150,000.
How many movies?
No.
Good afternoon. We have had a really lazy morning. Today is Monday. Elias and I both had AMI days because of the snow. They're finally starting to plow our neighborhood. I don't think we'll try to venture out today, but I'm curious to see if we have school tomorrow or if we have another AMI day. Some of the schools in my district where I work have some pretty rural back roads, and so often we get an extra AMI day. So I'm curious to see how that plays out, but I thought I would just go ahead and wrap up the weekend vlog now, even though technically our long weekend is not over, but we're just gonna be doing a lot of the same things today that we've done all weekend. So I won't bore you with the footage of that, but thank you for watching and joining us this weekend. It was really nice after our really busy Disney trip to spend time at home and not really have a plan, catch up on laundry, things around the house, and cook and just relax and do a lot of nothing. So we're gonna continue doing that today. More laundry, more cozy food, more movies, probably more popcorn, to be honest. We love it. So yeah, if you have made it this far, comment down below what things you like to watch in vlogs. I think I mentioned in my intro vlog that I plan to record our garden planning and planting and how our garden grows, any trips that we take, but just for the everyday mundane life, what kind of vlogs do you like to watch or things do you like to see when people post their vlogs? Just so I can better plan it out. I don't know, I'm gonna try to be really consistent, but we don't do a lot of exciting things, but I like watching the mundane vlogs that people post just of their weekend or week recaps, things like that. So I'll try to share some recipes. If you want the recipe for the chili that I made, it was so good. It was my first time using this recipe, but I zhuzhed it up a little bit. So I can post that. I can also post the tortellini soup if you're interested. So just comment down below what you'd like to see, if you want any recipes or the recipe for my homemade bread. But yeah, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.